Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Python shell you're using because the commands differ. Save any unsaved files, and if you need state, export variables or use pickle so nothing is lost. Once done, focus on the active shell window. You will run different clear methods for terminal CPython, IPython, or idle. Make sure to close blocking prompts and stop long-running processes first. This prevents accidental data loss and ensures the clear command executes without interruption. You now execute the appropriate clear action. In CPython terminals, import OS and call OS. System, CLS on Windows or OS. System, clear on Mac OS/Linux. Printing many new lines also works but doesn't free state. In IPython, use %resetf to remove names or run clear/ CLS to wipe the display while preserving variables when needed. In idle, choose restart shell from the shell menu to fully clear both display and interpreter state. Use the method that matches your goal. Display only versus full state reset. Finish by verifying the shell state. Attempt to print a previously defined variable. A name error confirms a successful reset. If the clear command fails or the screen remains cluttered, restart the terminal application or the IDE. That reliably resets both display and memory. Make sure you use virtual environments to keep sessions isolated, which simplifies clearing and avoids cross-project residue. If problems persist, check for background processes or shells nested inside multiplexers like tmux that might intercept clear commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.